Hi everyone, today I'll be teaching you how to scan a URL for viruses in Power Automate. As a reminder, this will work the same way in Logic Apps as well. To perform the flow, we will be using a Cloud Mersive Virus Scan connector. Now, to get things started, we will first click Create. On this page, we will choose Instant Cloud Flow. Type in a name for the flow. Select Manually Trigger a Flow, and then hit Create again. To continue the process, we will click New Step and search for Cloud Mersive Virus Scan. Select the dark blue icon and choose Scan a website for malicious content and threats from the list of actions. It's important to note that if you've never used one of our connectors before, you will be prompted to enter your API key. This is free on the Cloud Mersive website, and once you've entered it here, you won't be asked for it again. After this, we're going to enter the URL we want to scan for viruses. I'm going to use the Cloud Mersive homepage for our first example, so I'll grab the address and paste it in. This is the only step in our process, so we will now hit the Save button at the bottom of the screen and wait for it to save the information. Once this is complete, you can click the Test button in the top right-hand corner. We will choose the manual option for testing the file, hit the second Test button, and then Continue. After that, we will click Run Flow and Done. After clicking Done, you will see green check marks next to the connector showing that the flow worked. Sometimes it takes a second for all the check marks to appear, so don't stress if that happens to you. Now we can click on the virus scan step to expand the information and show the result. The clean result field reflects true, which means that our URL is free from viruses. Moving on to our second example, I'm going to grab an anti-malware test URL from icar.org. This is a great site to assist in safely testing antivirus software. Back in Power Automate, I'm going to hit the Edit button and expand my virus scan action to paste in the new URL. We can now hit Save again, wait for the information to update, and hit Test. Select the manual option, hit Test a second time, and click Run Flow and Done. Now when we open up the virus scan step, we can see that the clean result field reads false and the website threat type has been identified as malware. We hope this video has been helpful. Thank you so much for watching, and be sure to subscribe and check back in for more tutorials and tips on using Cloud Mersive connectors in Power Automate.